Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with Motorola Moto E22. And we can do this by connecting the charger onto the custom smart socket, then onto the phone, and the results will be visible right here on this device. So let's try that. So you can see all of the results right here, but let's wait about 30 seconds till all of them are stable. So the 30 seconds just passed and you can see them all right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.